Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. Today we're going to show you how to fix error code 123c3e42451b8509f in The Sims 4. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's verify the game files. Open your Stream library and click on Sims 4. Click on gear icon and select Properties. Click on Installed Files and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This should make sure all your files are intact. Next, make sure both your graphics cards are up to date. To update your graphic drivers, go to the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Overlays from other programs can sometimes interfere with The Sims 4, so disable any active overlays from programs like Discord or GeForce Experience. After that, reset the game settings to default. Launch The Sims 4, go to Options from the main menu and select Reset Game Options. If the error still persists, consider doing a clean reinstall. Uninstall The Sims 4 and any associated packs and then reinstall the game and the packs. If you have tried all these steps and still encountered the error, reach out to EA customer support for further assistance. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe.